To customize Google Analytics segments, start by understanding the basics of segments in Google Analytics. Segments are a way to categorize your data based on specific conditions, allowing you to analyze your website traffic and behavior in more detail. First, navigate to the Reporting tab in your Google Analytics account and click on the plus sign next to the Segments drop-down menu. This will open the Segments pane where you can view and manage existing segments. To create a new segment, click on the New Segment button. Choose a segment template or start from scratch by selecting the Conditions option. Name your segment and set the conditions that define it, such as demographic, technology, or behavior criteria. For example, you can create a segment for users who have made a purchase, or for users who have visited a specific page on your website. Use the AND and OR operators to combine conditions and create more complex segments. Once you have defined your segment conditions, click the Apply button to apply the segment to your data. You can then view your data through the lens of this segment, allowing you to analyze the behavior and characteristics of this specific group of users. To further refine your segments, use the Sequence option to define a series of conditions that must occur in a specific order. For example, you can create a segment for users who have visited the home page, then the product page, and finally the checkout page. Best practices for customizing Google Analytics segments include keeping your segments simple and focused on a specific goal or question, and regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they remain relevant and accurate. By following these steps and best practices, you can create customized segments that provide valuable insights into your website traffic and behavior, and help you make data-driven decisions to improve your marketing and optimization efforts.